Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter 6 of grade 7th. The name of the chapter is HTML. We are going to cover these topics today. Introduction, HTML element, description of tags, structure of HTML, creating and saving HTML document, viewing HTML document. So these all topics we are going to cover. Okay, let us start now. What is internet? Before talking about HTML, let us talk about what is internet. What is internet? Internet is a source of getting information, right? Whenever you want to search something, you go for internet, and how the information on the internet is shown is displayed through websites, correct? If I want to see something, I want to search something, I'll go for google.com. Now what is google.com? It is a website, and each website is made up of web pages, correct? A website can have any number of pages. Now how HTML is related to internet? A web page is written in a computer language called HTML, right? Now you know what is language. I am speaking English right now. English is language, Hindi is language, Maratha, Kannada is all a language, and it is meant for humans. But for computer, there are some different language that only computer understand. That is called as computer languages. One of such languages is called HTML, in which we will write a web page, correct? So web page is a HTML is a language for creating web pages. And who invented this? Tim Berners-Lee. Now what are HTML elements? Now there are two types of elements. First, container elements, and second, empty elements. Container means they have starting and ending tag also. Empty elements mean they just require a starting and not an ending tag. Now what is tag? You might be confused with what is tag. What is tag is, now for the timings, just understand that tag is somewhat what is written inside the angular bracket. Can you see? Angular bracket is given in HTML. Outside the HTML, angular bracket is written. That is called a tag. Whenever something is written inside angular bracket, it becomes a tag. And what is the ending of a tag? When we put forward slash before writing something, if we put forward slash, it becomes ending of the tag, right? So HTML is starting and forward slash HTML is ending of the tag. Now next is your empty elements. In this, there is only a starting but not an ending. That is why HR is written but forward slash HR is not written. Clear? Let us talk about tags and the description of tags. So these are the tags of HTML. First is the HTML tag. This is the very first tag of your HTML document. It tells that your HTML document starts from here. So whenever you start coding, you will start with HTML tag. Next is your title tag. It displays the title of the HTML document. Title means whatever you want to give heading, okay? Body tells what will be the displayed in the main browser window. Whatever you want to write, if you want to give any picture or you want to write something, that will come in the body tag. Next is the structure of HTML. This is very important. HTML structure means if you learn this, you know the HTML. This is the very first step of the HTML. You have to learn by heart. So first is HTML tag. Next is head, title. Then you can give any title. My first web page. Wherever I have written without bracket, that text can be changed by you. But wherever I put a tag, that cannot be changed. The sequence cannot be changed. You cannot take HTML in the end, right? So this sequence should remain same. So HTML head, title, give a title of your choice. Title close, head close, body started. Then you can, inside the body you can write anything. I have written welcome to my first web page. Body close, HTML closed. Again I am repeating, the sequence should remain same. The text, whatever I have written, like my first web page and welcome to my first web page, can be changed. Next we have creating and saving the HTML document. How to create, where to write HTML document, where to write the structure of HTML document, which we did now. You will write in the notepad, okay? So open the notepad, type the HTML code, Then you will save it. To save it, you will write save as, select save as. When you select save as, they will ask for a name. Now name can be given any, no problem, but there should be an extension of .html with it. For example, your name is ABC, so you will save abc.html, got it, or abc.htm, both will work. But if you say only ABC, that will not going to become HTML document, that will not going to show as a web page. Clear? So this is very important. When you are saving a file, you have to save it .html. Next is your view. View means where to see HTML document, where to see. Now you have written in Notepad. Now you save the Notepad with the .html. Now how Notepad becomes a web page? You are making web pages, no? HTML is used to make web page. So how Notepad becomes a web page, that will be shown when you see the HTML document. View means to see. So go to your file like abc.html, go to that file, right click, then click on open with and select the browser. Browser means Google, Chrome, okay, Firefox, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, these all are the browsers. So select any browser, whatever your laptop supports. When you open it with web browser, that Notepad file will become a web page. Clear? I'll show you. Next time we will run the code. I'll show you how to make web pages. This was the basic lecture. So you need to understand the structure of HTML. You need to learn it. It is very good for you, very important for you. You can practice. See, in this age, you can make your own website. So this is just a start. Please do it seriously. Practice a lot at home and understand it well. Thank you.